Hello, champ. Congratulations on clearing the NOS Level 1 exam. Welcome to India's most awaited and award-winning Olympiad finale, the NOF Champions League. We've prepared 4 sample papers, 40 questions each, with 3 video solutions to help you perform your best. Watch carefully, take notes, practice, and excel. Here is your math sample paper with solutions.
Hello friends. Today we are going to solve class 1st sample paper 2 of maths subject. Let's begin. Our first question is, I am a number. If you double me and then subtract 3, you get 15. What number am I? Now see, we have to search for a number. So let's say if the number is x. Okay. Now they are saying you have to double me. So double the number is, it will be say 2x. Okay. And then subtract 3. So now from this we have to minus 3. You will get 15. So we will get, our answer should come 15. Okay. Now this is the equation which is made that I am number. So this is a number. If you double me, we doubled it, multiply by 2 and then subtract by 3. So we minus 3. You will get 15. So we will get 15. Now this is the equation. What number am I? So now we will find the number. So what we will do for that? We will take 2x over here. We'll shift this minus 3 over here. So it will be 15 plus 3 because when we move this from one side to the other side of equal, we have to change the sign. So 2x equals to, we will add it 15, 16, 17, 18. Now we have to find the number x. So we will take this x over here. And since it is over here in multiplication, so sign will change when it will go to the other side. So it will be coming into division. So it will be 18 divided by 2. That is 2 nines are 18. Therefore, x equals to 9. Now we have to find in the options where is the 9 answer. Our options are 5, 9, 11 and 7. So correct answer is this 9, option B. Next question. If you add the second question, if you add the smallest 2-digit number to the largest single-digit number, what is the sum? Now we have to find smallest number. So smallest number is, what is smallest number? 2-digit number. Okay. So smallest 2-digit number is 10 because this is the first number in 2-digit, then comes 11, 12, 13, 14. That are higher than this. And the largest single digit. Now largest number we have to find. So what will be the largest single digit? So largest single digit will be 9 because we have to find single digit, that is 9. Now they are saying if you have to add these two numbers. So when we add these two numbers, 10 plus 9 is 19. So where is this? Options are 18, 19, 20 and 21. So correct answer is 19 on option B. Next question. Which number sentence is correct? Which number sentence is correct? So we'll find this. 6 plus 6 is 12, not 11. 9 minus 3 is 7. No, it's 6, isn't it? 8 plus 7 is 15. 12 minus 7 is 5. So among all these 4, the correct answer is C. Next question. Fourth, if you double the number 12, then subtract 5, what is the answer? Now we have already given the number 12. We have to double it. Means we have to multiply it by 2. That comes to be 24. Then we have to subtract 24 from 5. So what will be our answer? Our answer will be 19. So what is the option over here? 17, 19, 20 and 24. Correct answer is 19, option B. Next question. Fifth, which of the following numbers is a perfect square? Perfect square is when it is multiplied by itself, it gives the correct answer, means same answer. So over here, 5 into 5 is equals to 25. The number multiplied by itself gives the number that is 25. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. Sixth question. A library has 120 story books, 250 picture books, and 85 comic books. How many books are there in total? Now we have asked total. Total means you have to add all the three of them. So it is like 120 story books, 250 picture books, and 85 comic books. So its total will be 5, 8 and 2, 10 plus 5, 15. 1 over here of carry, 2, 3 and 4. So 445 is the answer. Now where it is? Sorry, 455. 455 is on option B. Therefore, this is the correct answer. 455. Next, how many legs are there of the given animals in the picture? Now we have to calculate how many legs each animal have, then only we can add it. So this dog, cat has 4 legs. This also has 4 legs. Pig also have 4 legs. Parrot has 2 legs. This bird has again 2 legs. This animal has 4 legs. This has 4 legs. What about fish? Fish doesn't have legs. So we have to now add all these animals' legs. Okay. So let's count it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So we got the answer as 24. Now among these 4 options, 24 is over here, option C. So option C is the correct answer. Okay. Next, eighth. In a classroom, there are 120 pencils, 85 erasers, 65 crayons. The teacher distributes 40 pencils, 30 erasers, and 20 crayons to the student. How many supplies are left in the classroom? So to find the answer that is in left, so we have to find the answer by subtracting. But before that, we have to add this, this, and this because we have to find the total of this. Then we have to add this, this, and this and find total of this. And then we will subtract it to get the final answer. So 120 plus 85 plus 65. So our total is 10. 8 plus 2, 10, 16, 17, 1 carry, and this 2. Now we'll total this numbers 40, 30, and 20. So what is the answer to this? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. Now we'll subtract 270 minus 90. So what we will get is 0, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So it is 8, 1 over here. So it is 2 minus 1, 1. So 180 is the total answer. This is the supplies which is left in the classroom. So now let's see where it is. 122, 145, 180 and 171 are the options. 180 is over here. Option C is the correct answer. Ninth one. John has 52 stamps from different countries. His friend gave him 15 more stamps and he bought 25 more stamps from a shop. How many stamps does John have now? Now means how many John has? So we have to find the total. Total is again we have to add it. So we will add 52, 15 and 25. 5, 5, 10 and 2, 12, 1 carry, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 92 is the correct answer and this is on option A. So option A is the correct answer, 92. 10th, I am a number. If you add 10 to me and then add 5, the result is 50. What number am I? See, now I am a number, so let's say number is equals to x. If you add 10 to me and then add 5, the result is 50. Result is means equal to 50. Now x plus 15 is equals to 50. We added this two. Now we have to find the value of x. So we will take this number to that side. Since it is here in plus, we will take it in minus over here because it is changing and going to the another side. X is equals to, answer is, what is the answer? 15, 50 minus 15. If we'll do like this, 5, 2, 3. So answer is 35, isn't it? So where is it? Options are 35, 30, 40 and 45. So correct answer is option A, 35. 11th, find the missing number. Now we have been given the number from the top one. Okay, and what is the answer? We are given the both things. Now what we have to do is we have to subtract this number, subtract this number from this number so that we can get this answer. Okay, so now how will we do that? We will just write over here this number and we will subtract it. Okay, so now 7 minus 5, 2, 4 minus 8, now we have to take it, borrow 1. So it will be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that is 6. Okay, so now we kept it over here, 7 and 8, 9 minus 8 is 1. And here it is 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. So our answer comes to be 3162. Where it is? Over here. Option A is the correct answer. Now see, every person can has a subtraction method differently. My subtraction method is like this. You can do as you want. Like we just have to subtract this top number from this number. Your technique of subtracting can be different. So it is nothing to worry of that. The answer is 3162. Okay. 12th one. Find the difference of 90 and twice of 20. Now what we have to find is, we have to find the difference of 90 and twice of 20. Means there is a number which is twice of 20. Okay. So twice of 20 is like we did 20 twice, that is 40. So we have to find the difference. Difference means to subtract. So we have to subtract 90 and this twice of 20 is 40. So we have to subtract 40 from 90. So it is 50. Our answer is 50, which is on option A. So option A is the correct answer. Now subtract 118 from 200. So from 200, we have to subtract 118. 10 minus 8, 2, 1 over here. So it's like 2. 10 minus 2 is 8, 1 over here. So it's 0. 82 is the correct answer. Where is it? Option A, 88, then 82, then 93 and 86. So 82 is the correct answer, option B. Don't get confused in subtraction method. It can be different with each student or teacher. So you can use your subtraction technique and get the answer. 14th. In a soccer team of 80 players, 36 players left. How many players remain? Now, soccer team of 80 players. 36 left. Now, what are they asking? They are asking remain. Means you have to subtract and find how many players are remaining. So, 80 minus 36. So, again, 10 minus 6 is 4 and 8 minus 4 is 4. So, answer is 44 and that is option B is the correct answer. 15th question. Observe the figure and answer how many objects are left. See, so we have to find how many are not crossed one. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the correct answer is option B, 5, isn't it? Okay, let's move ahead. Question number 16. How many grams are there in 2 kilograms? Now, we know that 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams. Okay, so 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams. So 2 kilogram is equals to 1000 into 2, that is 2000, isn't it? So 2000 is the correct answer, and our options are 200, 2000, 1500, and 20. So correct answer is option B, 2000. 17th. If a toy car is 25 centimeter long, how many toy cars placed side by side will make a length of 1 meter? Now see, the unit is 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Okay, this is the main thing to remember over here, and also here 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram. Now 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, and they are saying that they have a toy car of 25 centimeter long. So in 1 meter, how many will come? So we can take it as like this: 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter. So 25 centimeter is equals to how many meter? Isn't it? So how many cars we have to find? So 1 upon 100 into 25. So we'll divide and find how many cars can be placed side by side. So 25 divided by 100 is 4. That means we can place 4 toy cars of 25 centimeters side by side to make a length of 1 meter. So option B is the correct answer. Question number 18. Add the smallest even number and the largest odd number below 10. Now even number, smallest one. So smallest even number is 2, and odd number, largest one, below 10. Okay, so it's 9. So what we have to do is we have to add both. So 9 plus 2 is 11, isn't it? So our answer 11 is on option B. Therefore, this is the correct answer. 19th. Which of the following measurements is equal to 2.5 meters? 2.5 meters. Now 1 meter is again 100 centimeter. So we have to find out 2.5 meter. That means we have to multiply 2.5 meters with 100 centimeters so that we can convert it into centimeter. Okay, now 2.5 means 225 0 0. We have to add this two zeros to this to make multiply by this, because 2.5 into 1 is same number. Now only thing is which you have to keep in mind is this decimal. This decimal is after one digit, so we have to put decimal after one digit, and therefore this will cancel. So it's like 250 centimeter. Okay, now options are 25 kilometer, 250 centimeter, 2500 centimeter, and 25 centimeter. So option B is the correct answer, 250 centimeter. 20th. You have a box that weighs 700 grams and another box that weighs 1 kilogram. What is the total weight of both boxes together in grams? Now see, they have asked in grams, so we have to convert everything into gram. Now first box is 700 grams, so that is okay, nothing to do with it. The second one is 1 kilogram, so we have to convert this 1 kilogram in grams. So we all know that 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams, isn't it? I told it earlier also. So here we'll convert it. Convert it means 1. This is also 1 kilogram already given. So it will be 1000 gram. This converted 1 kilo. So now we have to find the total. Total means again we have to add it. So 1000 of this 1 kilo and then 700 gram. Both the units are same. We have to make units same whenever we add it. So this plus this and 7 and this 1. So it is 1700 grams. Now where is it? It is over here, 1700 grams. So option A is the correct answer. 21st question. A train leaves a station at 2 o'clock, means 2 p.m., and travels for 3 hours. If the train moves at a constant speed, what time will it arrive at its destination? So now it moves at 2 p.m. It starts at 2 p.m. Okay, and it reaches at after 3 hours. Reaches after 3 hours. So 2 to 3, 3 to 4, and 4 to 5. Let's say I just write like this: 2 to 3, 3 to 4, and 3 to 4 to 5. 4 to 5. Okay. So this is 1 hour, 2 hour, and 3 hour. After 3 hours, it will reach at 5 p.m. to its destination. So answer is option B, 5 p.m. Okay. Okay. Let's move ahead. 22. What time it will be after 35 minutes if clock is 10 minutes behind? So we have to first see that it is 10 minutes behind. Right now it is showing that it is on 10 o'clock. See, minute hand, sorry, hour hand is on 10 and minute hand is on 12. That means it is 10 o'clock right now. And now they are saying that it is 10 minutes behind. So it has to be, actually, if we take this time only right now, then after 35 minutes it has to be over here, isn't it? 6 is half hour, so on 7 it will be 35 minutes. Let's count it: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and 35. So what time it will be that time? 10:35, isn't it? Now they're saying 10 minutes behind. So behind means we have to subtract 10 minutes from this. So it will be like this. So it will be 10, 25. Okay. 25, because 10 minutes we have to subtract as it is 10 minutes behind. So is it our answer is correct? Let's see the options. First option is 10.25, 10:35, 10:45, and 10:55. It's time. So option A is the correct answer, 10:25. 23rd question. How many minutes are there in 3 hours? Now, see, this is another time unit, like 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. This is also important thing to remember when we count time. So 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Now they have said 3 hours. Now 3 hours will be how much? So it will be 60 into 3. So the answer will come into minutes. That is 3 zeros are 0, 6 threes are 18. So 180 minutes. And where is it? It is over here. Option B is the correct answer. 24th. If it is 6 p.m. now, what will it be in 12 hours? So if it is 6 p.m. right now, so we have to count 12 hours later what it will be. Okay. So see, we have 24 hours in a day, isn't it? Is equals to 1 day. So after every 12 hours, the time will be just morning to evening, like AM, PM will change. So here it is 6 p.m. So after 12 hours, it will be 6 a.m. Okay. So option A is the correct answer. AM to PM it will convert, and PM to AM. 25th. What time is 15 minutes past 3 o'clock? 15 minutes past 3 o'clock. So we will just add 15 to it, 15 minutes to it. Right now it is 0, 0. We will add 15 minutes to it. So it will be 3:15. Option A is the correct answer. 26th question. How much money will you have if you spend 31 rupees? If you spend 31 rupees from this and this, isn't it? So we will add these two. This is 20 rupees and this is 50 rupees. So 50 plus 20 is equals to how much? 70 rupees. Now we have to subtract 31 rupees because we have spent 31 rupees. So we will subtract this. So it will be 9 and 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 3. So 39 rupees is our answer. Now let's see where it is. Option A is 29, option B is 39, option C is 49, option D is 21 rupees. So here is the correct answer, option B. Next, Question number 27th. You buy a book for 15 rupees and a pencil for 5 rupees. How much did you spend in total? Again, they have asked total means you have to add it. So 15 rupees of book and 5 rupees of pencil. When we added 5 and 5, 10, 1 over here, 1 and 1, 2. So 20 rupees is our correct answer. Option C. 28th question. If you buy a pencil for 3 rupees and notebook for 7 rupees, how much do you spend in total? Again, total. So what we'll do, we will add it. 3 of pencil and 7 of notebook. So it will be 7, 8, 9, 10, isn't it? So 10 rupees you will spend in total. So where it is, option B is the correct answer. Next. 29th sum. If you have the 10 rupee notes and one 5 rupee coin, how much money you have in total? Again, total. 10 rupee note we have and 5 rupee coin we have. It doesn't matter if it is a note or a coin. The thing which matters is how much money it is. Like it is 10 rupee note and it is 5 rupee coin. So that is the main thing. So we will add it, and 10 plus 5 is 15 rupees. So 15 rupees, option A is the correct answer. 30th question. You want to buy an eraser that costs 8 rupees and you have 10 rupee coin. How much change will you get back? Now again, see, you want to get back what is the remaining portion. So we will subtract for this 10 rupees you have given and you have bought a 8 rupee eraser. So we will minus it, then only we will get back how much we left with. So 10 minus 8 is 2. So 2 rupees means option B is the correct answer. 31st. If a square and a triangle are put together side by side, how many sides does the new shape have in total? So now see. Do you know what is a square and a triangle? Square is a four side shape, isn't it? It has all sides equal. Triangle has three sides. Okay, now they're saying that if you put it both together, now I just made, it can seem as a rectangle, but it is a square. And if I put triangle over here, side by side, okay, so how many sides does the new shape have? So let's see how many sides we can see from this. This is 1, okay, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. So our correct answer is option A. Next, how many straight edges does a hexagon have? Now hexagon, let's draw a hexagon and then see how many straight edges it has. Okay, drawing might be little bad, but the main thing is just understand the shape. This is actually hexagon. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 straight edges. So hexagon has 6 straight edges. That is option C is the correct one. Okay. Next, 33rd. If you fold a square in half along the side, what shape do you get? Now square has 4 equal sides. This all four sides are equal. Now they are saying that if you half it along the side, means diagonally we will fold it. So this will come over here. Okay. So when this comes over here, it will become this shape only. And this shape is triangle, isn't it? So we have rectangle, square, triangle and circle. See, we have triangle over here. So option C is the correct answer. What shape has exactly one line of symmetry? One line of symmetry. Now, what is line of symmetry? Line of symmetry means line that divides a shape into two identical mirror images, means it just halves it. Now, it just halves half set. So if we do, the correct answer to this is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is where their both sides are equal. Means when you draw a triangle, this side and this side are equal. And therefore, when you just draw one line of symmetry from center, it will just divide this triangle and this triangle into equal halves. Okay. So isosceles triangle option D is the correct answer. Next one, 35th. How many corners does a shape have if it has 6 sides? Now, if it has 6 sides, so how many corners will it have? As many sides you have, as many corners you will get. So if it is a 6 side shape, then it will have 6 corners. Option E is the correct one. 36th. In a zoo, there are 7 lions, 3 parrots, 5 ducks, and 8 bears. How many birds are there in total? In total, they have asked. But the main thing to see is just don't see total and to add it all. You have to see what the question is asking. How many birds are there in total? Now, there is lion, parrot, ducks, and bear. So, is lion and bear bird? No. Bear and lions are not bird. The parrot and ducks can be counted as birds. So 3 parrots and 5 ducks. So it is, total is 8. So option A is the correct answer, 8. 37th question. Tom is 5 years old and his sister is 2 years older. How old is his sister? Now they are saying that Tom is 5 years old and his sister is 2 years older. Older to whom? Older to Tom. So we have to add this age to this one to get the sister's age. 5 plus 2 is 7. So his sister is 7 years. How old is she? She's 7. Answer is C. 38. If you have 2 pairs of shoes, how many individual shoes do you have? Now, pair of shoes means, one pair of shoes means 2, isn't it? Now, they're saying you have 2 pairs. So, 2 pairs means 2 into 2, that is 4. We have 4 individual shoes. Now, options are 2, 3, 4, and 6. So, our correct answer is option C. 39. What comes next in the sequence? Now, see, we have to see very carefully what is the sequence. A, we skipped B. C, skipped D. E, skipped F. G, now we have to skip what? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. H is skipped. And now what will come? I. So our answer is I. Now let's see where it is. It is over here. Option B is the correct answer. We have to carefully see the pattern, what it is doing, and then we have to answer it. 40th question. What is the result of multiplying 2 by 10 and then adding 6? So we have to first multiply 2 by 5. So it is 2 5s are 10. And then we have to add 6. 6 to this. So it is 10 plus 6, 16. So our answer is 16. And answer 16 is over here. Option C is the correct answer. So here ends our first sample paper. Actually, this is the second sample paper of class first. Thank you. Hope you find it interesting and knowledgeable. See you. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content.